Hello guys, welcome to Learn All Online Educational YouTube channel. In this session we will discuss about Advanced Engineering Mathematics Part A Introduction. I'm Sharifullah Shiam, your instructor for this session. In Part A of Advanced Engineering Mathematics we will discuss Ordinary Differential Equations or ODEs. Chapter 1. First Order Ordinary Differential Equation. We begin Chapter 1 with the study of ordinary differential equation by deriving them from physical or other problems. The simplest ordinary differential equation to be discussed are ODEs of the first order because they involve only the first derivative of the unknown function and there is no higher derivatives. So the general form of the ordinary differential equation ODE is as written, and the general form of the first order ordinary differential equation is as written as well. In both of these equations, they include only ordinary derivatives where y is a function of x and the x is only the independent variable and there is not any independent variable rather than x. Basic concept: modeling. Objective 1.1. If you want to solve an engineering problem, usually of a physical nature, we first have to formulate the problem as a mathematical expression in terms of variables, functions, and equation. So, such expression is known as a mathematical model of the given problem. The process of setting up a model, solving it mathematically, and interpreting the model and the result in physical or other term is called mathematical modeling, or briefly modeling. Modeling needs experience, which you shall gain by discussing various examples and problems. So now many physical concepts such as velocity and acceleration are derivatives. So such a model is called a differential equation. Remember guys, then we will come to find a solution for our differential equation and we will explore its properties, we will make graph for it, and we will find value of it. So finally, we will interpret it in physical terms so that we can understand the behavior of the physical system in our given problem. However, before we can turn to methods of solution, into the method of solution, we must first define some basic concept needed throughout this chapter. Okay guys, in here, before starting the basic concept of differential equation, in here we have some of the most famous models that they are in form of application of differential equation physics that you can see it, and we will study them in the given sections. For example, we will study the following stone model in section 1.1 and we will study the second model in section 1.2 and so forth. An ordinary differential equation ODE is an equation that contains one or several derivatives of an unknown function. The following are the examples of the ordinary differential equations. First, y prime is equal to cosine of x. Second, we have y double prime plus 9y is equal to e power minus 2x. And 3, we have y prime times y double prime negative 3 by 2y prime square equal 0. A partial differential equation PDE, which involves partial derivative of unknown function of the two or more variables. PDE have important engineering application, but they are more complicated than ODEs. So we will consider them in upcoming chapters. Order of a differential equation is the highest derivative existing in a differential equation is known as order of a differential equation. For example, equation 1 is first order because its highest derivative is first order. And second equation is second order differential equation because the highest derivative existing in that equation is the second derivative. And number 3, it is the third order ordinary differential equation. So in this chapter, we shall consider first order ordinary differential equation. The general form of an ordinary differential equation is f of x, y, and y prime equals 0, which is an implicit form. And an explicit form we can write as y prime is equal to f of x and y. For instance, the implicit ODE x to the power of -3y prime -4y squared equals 0, where x is unequal to 0, can be written explicitly as y prime equal to 4 times x power 3 times power y power 2. So thanks for your attention. Please share and subscribe.